Yo, what's up, guys? Another one. All right, today we got the Ek optional exhaust tip. So this is the exact same tip for the 99 2000 SI in the States and the GSR Integra. And I'm going to show y'all what it looks like installed on my personal vehicle. The Muffler Ek hatch. My muffler pipe broke, so I just upgraded to a whole new exhaust system. So yeah, I'm actually giving this away. You can buy it brand new. It's like $100, 75 to $100, but I am giving it away. Just subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Instagram, and I'd like to give back to the Ek community. So there's really nothing to say. There's no part number or any logo, Honda logo. But I'll provide the part number and all that stuff. And this is something I got from Home Depot, but I'll provide the actual part number for the OEM bolt. All right, guys. Check the description.